Benson. Benson. Nate Robinson. Rosie Huntington-Whiteley. More Rosie Huntington-Whiteley, 203 of 267, the most beautiful women of 2021, ranked 46 of 54, the best English actresses working today, 67 of 185, the best living English actresses. Whitney Port. Jenna Dewan. More Jenna Dewan, 264 of 349, the best American actresses working today, 27 of 36, the best sitting judges of all time, 59 of 74, 70-plus celebrities who do yoga. Marcelo Vieira. More Marcelo Vieira, 83 of 1310, the best soccer players of all time, 69 of 356, the best current soccer players, 27 of 452, the best soccer defenders of all time. Shenae Grimes. Or Shenae Grimes, 35 of 163, the best Hallmark Channel actresses, 58 of 115, the best Hallmark Channel actors and actresses under 40, 17 of 24, 24 of the wackiest celebrity wedding gowns. Nicole Snooki Polizzi. Or Nicole Snooki Polizzi, 563 of 568 American public figures who are national treasures, 16 of 124, the worst people in the history of reality TV, 28 of 104 new American Idol judge picks. Andre Drummond. More Andre Drummond, 58 of 161, the best NBA players with no championship rings, 46 of 165, the greatest NBA centers of all time, 47 of 96, the most overrated players in the NBA today. Richard Sherman. More Richard Sherman, 700 of 904, celebrity death pool, 2021, 154 of 1323, the best football players ever, 13 of 1616, celebrities you would never guess are secretly insanely talented. Karrueche Tran. Angela Kinsey. Dwight Howard. More Dwight Howard, 11 of 54, the most hated active NBA players, 24 of 55, the best known 1 overall NBA draft picks of all time, ranked 57 of 329, the most obnoxious athletes. Victoria Beckham. More Victoria Beckham, 113 of 271, the sexiest musical artists of all time, 1 of 69, the most stylish female celebrities, 6 of 45 celebrities who had weird jobs before they were famous. Jeremy Lin. Or Jeremy Lin, 66 of 107, the greatest Lakers of all time, 114 of 150, the greatest point guards in NBA history, 26 of 66, the best Charlotte Hornets players of all time, ranked. Julian Edelman. More Julian Edelman, 173 of 192, the hottest man of 2021, ranked 36 of 214, the best wide receivers of all time, 3 of 41, the 41 hottest men in the NFL. Isaiah Thomas. More Isaiah Thomas, 38 of 102, the most likable players in the NBA, day 52 of 76, the best point guards currently in the NBA, 176 of 227, the greatest offensive players in NBA history. Russell Brand. More Russell Brand, the best Russell Brand movies, 269 of 339, the funniest people of all time, 1314 of 1355, the greatest minds of all time. Ayesha Curry. Kevin Durant. More Kevin Durant, the best KD 10 colorways, ranked 458 of 583, the greatest entertainers of all time, 132 of 176, the best Hot Ones guests ever. Sarah Silverman. More Sarah Silverman, 19 interesting facts you may not know about Sarah Silverman, 674 of 843, best actresses in film history, 77 of 94, the best SNL cast members of all time. Darren Criss. This. Adelaide Kane. Felicia Day. Steve O. Justin Bieber. Karlie Kloss. Taya Mori. More Taya Mori, 88 of 163, the best Hallmark Channel actresses, 61 of 225, the greatest black actresses of all time, 284 of 310 Hallmark Channel actors and actresses. Maddie Ziegler. More Maddie Ziegler, all about Maddie Ziegler. She's sidekick and Dance Mom's breakout star, 8 of 32, the next generation of stars, age 20 and under 20 of 32 most popular teen actors and musicians of 2021. Ashley Tisdale. More Ashley Tisdale, the best Ashley Tisdale songs, 84 of 198, the greatest new female vocalists of the past 10 years, 74 of 1019, the worst bands and musicians of all time. Kylie Jenner. Maisie Williams. More Maisie Williams, funny Maisie Williams tweets that prove Arya Stark is more relatable than we previously thought. 27 of 87 celebrities who should be A-listers, 5 of 46, the best Irish actresses working today. Shay Mitchell. More Shay Mitchell, 40 of 60, the best Asian American actors and actresses in Hollywood, 10 of 54, the best Asian actors and actresses under 40, 15 of 49, the hottest Canadian actresses. Snoop Dogg. Or Snoop Dogg, hilarious Snoop Dogg interviews that prove he can still drop it like it's hot. 58 of 70, the complete list of rappers who've been in prison. 8 of 235, the greatest rappers of all time. Zac Efron. More Zac Efron, the best Zac Efron movies. 11 of 65, who is the most charming man alive. 197 of 238 actors you would watch. Read the phone book. Madelaine Petsch. Ariana Grande. More Ariana Grande. Ariana Grande's hairstyles, ranked a step-by-step chronology of Ariana Grande and Pete Davidson's romance. 34 of 602, the best female vocalists ever. Rihanna. Zendaya. Gordon Ramsay. Ryan Reynolds. Will Smith. More Will Smith, the best Will Smith movies. 103 of 1017, the best actors in film history. 84 of 269, the most trustworthy celebrities in the world. Jack Black. More Jack Black. 10 reasons more people need to appreciate Jack Black. 24 of 339, the funniest people of all time. 15 of 115, the best short actors. Dwayne Johnson. More Dwayne Johnson. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson posts that perfectly capture why he is everyone's favorite person. 51 of 264, the best male actors working today. 7 of 90, who is the coolest actor in the world right now.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.